Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate WPForms with Affiliate Press. Now, go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press integration page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable WPForms integration and click to Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. Now go to the WPForms All Forms page. This is the WPForms Forms Overview page. Here, you can see the form list. Now add a new form, otherwise edit an existing form. This is the WPForms Stripe Payment Gateway template. You can use any template, but most add the card-related fields add. Now, open the Settings page and Affiliate Press tab. Enable the Commission option and select the commission type. After that, click to Save button and save your changes. Go to the front side using the Affiliate User Copied link. Open the Affiliate Press Configured WPForms. This is the WPForms. Here enter the basic details. Now, enter the card details and click to Submit button. See form successfully submitted. Now go to the Affiliate Press Commission page. This is the Affiliate Press Commission page. You can see all the commission-related records. See, the first record is WPForms Commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel, Commission page. Here you can see the affiliate user commission records and other details. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.